Hey, it's Pamela doing creative. I wanted to show you a new handy feature that Squarespace have come out recently, which is their AI powered SEO tool. So, a lot of the times we do forget to do our SEO, which is fine. We're not all SEO experts, and sometimes we don't have the budget to hire one just yet. So, what you can do is jump into your Squarespace settings down here, and underneath marketing, you'll see your SEO appearance and meta pixel ads. What you need is the SEO appearance, and you'll get like this come up, a SEO report. And as you can see, I have quite a lot that is missing. I have recently just relaunched my website as well, so now is a good time to go in and improve it. So I'm going to give it a go with the AI function. So all you have to do is press this, and it's going to scan your website. It might take a few moments, so just hang in there while it analyzes, scans your images, and here we go. So what you can do now is review what each one looks like, and you do have the option of editing any of these, and I think they are looking okay for now. I can certainly go back in later on to redo these, and there is quite a lot, so I'm just gonna go save and continue. And the next page brings up the review for your alt text. I used to do this one by one. I actually do have a free GPT that can be used in ChatGPT to create your own alternative text. But with this, as you can see, there's quite a lot that I haven't done, so I'm just scanning any of these to see if I need to edit them. And so far they're looking pretty spot on, so I'm just going to go save, and we'll just wait for it to do its thing. This is where we need a bit of elevator music. Nope, all good. Okay, so there's still a few missing. I'm going to leave that for now. I'll come back to it later. And as you can see, it's just checking it down here. And so far so good. So I am just going to leave it, and what I'm going to do is monitor it right here, analytics. So over the next month, I'm going to monitor it and see if there was any improvements doing it with the new AI SEO function. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.